Okay, here is our Android vending system. When you open the machine door, open the machine cover, then you will see this interface. At the top, there will show machine ID, and also here will show the degree of the refrigeration system, and also here will show time and the date. And then on the top there is a video that you could put a video in the system, and it will play automatically. Here is the product information. It has the same number with the slot number. Here is this is 13. You can see here there will be a 13 slot. So if you choose number 13 product, then it will show product name, item number, price. Then if you insert money to the bill acceptor, then you could buy this product. And that also, here is the basic information of the Android vending system. Then we could get into menu to make some settings. First, open the machine door. Open the machine door, then here will show password, and also this place will show password. The original password will be 60 and the login. After you enter password, you need to close the machine door. Close the machine door. Then you could see here is slot management, and here is number 1 slot. You could change product name, price, quantity, and also quantity, and also to change the picture of the slot. Yeah, now they installed 5 pictures in the system, so you could see 5 pictures. If you put more pictures in this system, you will see more pictures than you could choose. Also can test the slots. You will see test slot. If I touch start test, then the slot will rotate. You could see again. Okay. So in this way to check when this slot can work normally. Also the airport. So after your setting, you may confirm, and you will see. Okay, here is slot management. Also, you need a password management. You could change password here. Also, information setting. Here is the our server address. If you have your server, you could put your server address here, and also phone number, machine ID, advertising setting. You could write the advertising words that you want, and also you write the words you want for pay tip. Also here to the change. Here also can change. To set the pay effective number to time, and add download calling time, standby picture time, play image interval time. Also can change. These are the options that you could change for setting the system. After that, you confirm. Also, there is another payment setting. I usually look at this machine. It only have a cash payment method, so only need to open cash payment. And also, in this machine also has WeChat payment and Ali payment. So open this payment method and confirm. Here programming updates. If we release some new version of Android system, you could update here. Menu settings. Here, if you set the job sensor, weather give change, use alarm system, and open the refrigeration. If you set the temperature, then about the refrigeration. And heating from 1 to heat. Usually, if your machine only has one refrigeration system, you could open it to 25 to 8, and then set the heating zone to heat. Then you could open. And here, clear board, coin field. When you open this coin field, then you insert the coins to the coin changer. In this way, the coins which was inserted to coin changer will be used to give change. After that end. Okay, go back. Okay, here is, and also here to the sales page. Also, there's another function. After that, your setting, you could set exit system. Here you will 暂停。